Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel One Two Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to install the Steam application on our mobile. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply open up the Play Store and search for Steam. Well, as you can see, I have opened up the Play Store. Now all I'm gonna do is simply search for Steam. And guys, that is it. As you can see, this is the result and the application that we want to install. Do note that you can directly install this by clicking on this install button here. But in case you want more detailed information regarding this application, simply click on this icon right here. And that is it. From here, as you can see, you can look at the different details provided by this application. But right now, all we want to do is install it. So I'm simply gonna hit on install. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the application is being installed. Do remember that it might take some time depending upon your internet speed. Well guys, that is it. That's how we install Steam on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.